Collision mitigation system for vehicles. A, E, B or FCW for vehicles. To enable the system to detect rear end of preceding vehicles ahead, the vehicle driving speed must be at least 10 km per hour. The driver is alerted to the risk of an imminent collision by first level of visual and audible warning. If the driver does not take control or the driver braking force is not enough to mitigate collision, system issues the second level of visual and audible warning and applies partial braking with engine drag. After second level warning, if the driver does not take control or driver braking force is not enough and risk of a collision is imminent, the system applies harder braking along with third level of visual and audible warning. Once system has applied the brakes, a pop-up message will be displayed as automatic emergency braking completed. Notice. Notice. Warning.